right downwind 22 Rhythm.
Cherry with traffic, command of Hoyt High Whiskey, turning left crosswind 36, Cherry with traffic, Hoyt High Whiskey, turning left downwind 36. We'll be departing the pattern to the south from the downwind leg of 36. Cherry with
Traffic not available.
Rhythm traffic, Skylane right downwind Rhythm 22. County traffic, Cherokee upwind, 33, the left crosswind, Sullivan. There is the traffic, Skylane on a right base for 22, Resnick. Traffic, 2 minutes of Scott average over Perky Yemen 10,500 below, 2 minutes at Perky Yemen, Scott. Sullivan County traffic, Cherokee's left crosswind 33, Sullivan. Resnick traffic, Skylane on final 22, Resnick.
Sullivan County Air. Traffic, Cessna at 3,500, 6 miles south of the field, inbound 33, Sullivan County.
And Sullivan County, Cherokee's departing crosswind to the west. Sullivan.
Sullivan County, Cessna on the 45 to enter a left downwind 433, Sullivan County.
Yemen 10,500, East Coast. Lincoln Park, just about 10 to northeast of the inbound.